Chapter 19, The Wizard of Oz 2. So this is the second part of the chapter. Let's understand the meanings. Anxiously is an adverb, means in a worried or nervous way. When you do something very nervously or when you are very worried, at that time you are doing the work anxiously. We are anxiously waiting for the guests to arrive. Means we are nervously waiting for the guests to come. Beast, noun, a large or dangerous animal. The wild beast attacked the hunters. Beast is a large and dangerous animal. So the wild beast attacked the hunters. Chasing is a verb, means running after somebody in order to catch him or her. When you wish to catch someone and you are running after that person, means you are chasing that person. The policeman was chasing the thief. Draw, verb, means to attract or interest somebody. When you attract somebody or you make someone get interest in you, means you draw that person. The company gives a discount to draw a large number of customers. Company is giving huge discount because company wants to draw a large number of customers. Experience means knowledge and skill gained over a period of time. When you keep on doing some work for a long period of time, then you gain some knowledge and skill about that work, and it means you have experience of that work. Perfection comes with experience. Fortunately is an adverb, means by good luck. Fortunately, Samir was offered another job soon after leaving the previous one. Means by good luck, means Samir had good luck, and that is why he got new job as soon as his previous one was, he left the previous job. Gradually is an adverb, means slowly. The difficulty level of the video game increased gradually at every stage. In the video game, its difficulty level, it increased slowly at every stage. Imitate is a verb, means to copy someone or something. If you are copying someone or if you are copying something, means you are imitating. Jafar tried to imitate the clown but could not do so. Jafar tried to copy the clown but he was unable to do. Master, noun, a person who is skilled at something. If you are very good at something, you are master of that thing. The music master guided the students during the singing class. Music master means someone who is expert at music or someone who is very skillful at music is master. So the music master guided the students while they were all practicing in the singing class. Meekly is an adverb, means quietly and gently, ready to do what others want. When you are very quiet, very gentle, and you are ready to do whatever you are told to, you are meekly. Hina obeyed all the orders meekly and did not protest. So Hina was following all the orders given to her very meekly, and she did not protest, means she did not oppose. Palace is a noun, means the home of a king or a queen. A place where, a home where king or queen stays, lives, that is palace. The king and the queen moved into their new palace. Pricked up its ears is an idiom, means of a dog or horse raised ears. When a dog or horse, they raise their ears, means pricked up its ears. Tommy the dog pricked up its ears as it heard its name. When someone called out Tommy, the dog pricked up its ears. Secret is a noun, means something that is known to a few people and not shared with others. When something is not told to everyone and very few people know about it, that is secret. The birthday party was kept a secret, means a birthday party was arranged and nobody was told about it. It was a secret birthday party. Sort, noun, means a group or type of people or things that are similar in a particular way. So, some people are there or some things are there and they are similar to each other, then we may create a group of that. All those things, we may create a group of those things which are similar, or we may create a group of people who are similar in a particular way, that is sorting. What sort of sweets would you like to have? What type of sweets would you like to have? Stuff. Stuff is a verb, means to fill a space tightly with something. When you fill up a space but very tightly, you keep on filling up that space, means you are stuffing. I'll stuff your pillow with cotton, means I'll put a lot of cotton in your pillow. Twisted. Twisted is a verb. Turned one hand in the opposite direction. When you turn one hand in opposite direction, means you are twisting. Sahil twisted the cloth and wore it like a turban. So what did Sahil do? He twisted a cloth and then he wore it like a turban. Ventriloquist. Ventriloquist is a noun, means a person who speaks without moving his or her lips and makes it seem as if his or her voice is coming from somewhere else. If a person speaks but his or her mouth does not move and he makes other believe that voice is coming from somewhere else, he or she is not speaking, then that person is a ventriloquist. We could not make out whether it was the ventriloquist or the doll speaking. Means we were unable to understand where the voice was coming from. The person means the ventriloquist or the doll. Then willingly. Willingly is an adverb, means ready to do something. When you are ready to do some work, something, means you are willingly ready to do that. Radhika willingly gave all her jewelry to her sister. So Radhika was ready to give all her jewelry to her sister. Without a murmur is an idiom, means without complaining at all, without making any complaints. Gautami paid the extra fare without a murmur, means Gautami paid extra fare without complaining at all. Thesaurus. Thesaurus are the words which have similar meanings. Gradually. Gradually is an adverb, means slowly, we had understood its meaning. Continuously, progressively or regularly. Imitate. Imitate is a verb, means we had seen its meaning, means to copy someone or something. Act like, copy or mime. Master. Master is a noun, means someone who is very skillful at something. Captain, chief or head. I hope you have understood the meanings and the thesaurus I explained. Thank you.